Ad extensions in Google Ads allow you to provide additional information to users and enhance the visibility and effectiveness of your ads. They can improve ad performance, increase click-through rates, CTR, and provide more context about your products or services. Here's a guide on how to use ad extensions in your Google Ads campaign. 1. Types of ad extensions. Google Ads offers various ad extensions to suit different business goals and ad formats. Some common ad extensions include Sitelink Extensions, additional links that direct users to specific pages on your website. Sitelinks provide users with more options and can highlight different categories or services. Callout Extensions, short, non-clickable snippets of text that highlight key features or benefits of your products or services. Callouts appear below your ad and provide additional information. Structured Snippet Extensions, highlight specific aspects of your products or services using predefined headers such as styles, brands, or services. Structured snippets provide additional details to users. Call extensions, display your business phone number alongside your ad, allowing users to directly call your business. Call extensions are particularly useful for businesses that want to encourage phone calls. Message extensions, allow users to send you a text message directly from your ad. Message extensions are suitable for businesses that prefer communication via text. Location extensions, display your business address alongside your ad, along with a link to directions on Google Maps. Location extensions are beneficial for local businesses looking to drive foot traffic. Price extensions, showcase a list of your products or services with their corresponding prices. Price extensions can provide transparency and help users make informed decisions. App extensions, encourage users to download your mobile app. App extensions provide a link directly to your app on the App Store or Google Play. Promotion extensions, highlight special offers or promotions within your ad. Promotion extensions can include details such as discounts, promo codes, or limited-time offers. 2. How to add ad extensions. Log in to your Google Ads account. Go to ads.google.com and log in to your Google Ads account. Navigate to Ads and Extensions. Click on the Ads and Extensions tab in the left menu. Select your campaign or ad group. Choose the campaign or ad group where you want to add ad extensions. Click on Extensions in the top menu. Under the selected campaign or ad group, click on Extensions in the top menu. Choose the extension type. Click on the blue plus button and choose the type of extension you want to add. Fill in the extension details. Enter the relevant details for the extension, such as link text, URLs, or promotional details. Make sure the information is accurate and aligns with your ad messaging. Save your changes. Click Save to add the extension to your campaign or ad group. Monitor performance. Regularly monitor the performance of your ad extensions using the Google Ads dashboard. Evaluate metrics such as click-through rates, impressions, and clicks associated with each extension. Tips for using ad extensions. Relevance is key. Ensure that your ad extensions are relevant to your ad copy and provide valuable information to users. Use a variety of extensions. Experiment with different types of extensions to see which ones resonate best with your audience. You can use multiple extensions within the same campaign. Regularly update extensions. Keep your ad extensions updated with current information, especially if you have promotions or special offers. Test different variations. A/B test different versions of your ad extensions to identify the most effective messaging and design. Consider mobile users. Many ad extensions, such as call and message extensions, cater to mobile users. Ensure your extensions are optimized for a mobile audience. Ad extensions contribute to a more comprehensive and engaging ad experience for users, potentially leading to improved performance and better results for your Google Ads campaign. So that's it. See you soon.